city of Irvine has opened a new bike path that goes over the freeway and connects with some other bike paths. Going to find out today. The entrance to the new bike path will be on our right. We're exploring today. They certainly fixed this sidewalk up. It's nice and wide. I guess they anticipate some bike traffic. So the new bridge connects to the Jeffrey Open Space Trail, and also goes down to Cypress Village. Okay, here we are at the Jeffrey Open Space Trail, and I've done enough exploring. I've got to get home. Got a golf game at Pelican Hill. The new bridge connects with the Jeffrey Open Space Trail, which is just a strip of land between Jeffrey Boulevard and the next street, but it also connects with the Walnut Trail, and then if you go inland up to the Venta Spur, which is where all the packing houses were 100 years ago for the citrus groves. And here's the landmark for the Venta Spur. Got a nice picture of that earlier. The Venta Spur Trail is a beautifully landscaped trail that follows roughly the old right-of-way for the trains that would come to the citrus packing houses when Orange County was known for orange groves. And this will connect up to Peters Canyon Trail, and that's how we'll get home.